This is not original.
Oh, it's not the real one.
No.
Oh, okay. People say stay away from stray cats. There's like old passports here.
This is traditional.
Oh god. I'm getting wet. I'm getting wet. Datia, I think that's how you say it, from Tirana in Albania. I know absolutely nothing about this place. A friend just said it's cheap, should check it out, and here I am. So we're gonna go explore because I need my sunnies, as we said. I sent in my satchel bag. Let's go find a market. Have a look at these scooters I've just found. Full on like motorcycle style. Check them out. That is sick. Sweet. I really need a hat as well because I washed my hair the other day and it was just like everywhere. What do we got? Lone Wolf. That suits me. Hey, brother, can I try this? You hold for me?
Yes.
Okay. Is it good? Good. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you, buddy. Have you got a mirror?
Yeah.
Gotta chuck this on now. This is like my new trip hat. That's sick. That's it now, Lone Wolf crew. Alright, Lone Wolf crew, we need a bag to put all my cash in. But it has to suit my style, which is just all over the place at the moment. So we may need some guidance. I really want to get one of these bags, but because I've got stuff everywhere, I've got my money, I've got my phone, and I'm going to lose it. So I really want one of these. I'd probably never wear it if I was in Australia, but when you're traveling, I guess I need it. I'm just wondering if it's like to Alan from The Hangover, maybe? Your shop?
Yes.
Can I try this? I just want to see if it suits me. Alright, we'll see what it looks like. What do you reckon, this one? Alright, let's have a look. I'm tangled up everywhere.
Yeah.
But it's too tight, hey? Ah, there we go. Okay. So, this is it. How does it look?
This leather.
This
not
looks alright.
plastic.
This looks alright, hey?
If you want more, you can try the
But you do 2,000?
2,200.
Oh.
Okay, 2,000.
Okay, 2,000.
2,000. Okay, 2,000.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay, thank you
Thank you.
so much.
Thank you.
Hopefully it suits me. Bye.
Bye.
Bye. So I have spent all my cash very quickly. Haven't even got my sunnies yet, but we'll have to go back to the hotel room and pull out some more cash. Sweet. So we're decked out in the hat and I'll show you the hotel room. So it's a little bit messy now because I've been here for one night, but this is what you get for $50 Australian a night. It's not bad. You got your TV, aircon. This is my veranda. The bed butt, like it is, if I could describe it, it's probably like a slab of concrete with just a little bit of padding. Like it's, oh, I slept all right, but it's doable. So it's been about 2 days since you last saw me in the hotel. I've moved about 20 minutes into a different part of the city. Met up with a few boys from school, and to say shit got out of hand last night would be an understatement. I'm paying for it now with a hangover. But you got to check this place out. So I've learned a bit more about Albania in the last 2 days, and I've got to say, I like the people. They're good, and it's extremely cheap. Like 3 of us just went and had lunch. It was like $16 with drinks. But just have a look at some of the places here. It's all nice, and then it just what's going on here? Not many people speak English. There's a little bit, which is all right, but they're really helpful. They really help you try to buy what you need or get where you need to go. It can be like playing charades a bit, but do get there in the end. This is like the more back street kind of area where I'm staying. You can go. Oh, cheers. Yep. Yeah, as you can see, it's a bit dilapidated, stuff's falling apart. But yeah, there's just lots of little markets and people just selling stuff out on the streets here. Look at this antique phone. Hello? No, he's not here. Or just bits and pieces, old mobile phone batteries, chargers, shot glasses. But yeah, the people are good here. There's this other market down here. I've got to show you it. It's pretty cool, eh? Let's go check it out. Check out this market here. They got everything. Apparently, from what I've heard from other people on YouTube, this is good to wear here. But if you wear it to like Serbia or somewhere, someone will knock you out. Is that true? Who knows? Let me know in the comments. All these pipes and all different kinds of alcohol. There's a lot of like just homemade alcohol here. I think it's called Raki. There's a guy over here selling it. Whoa, look at this. It's just like buy your own tobacco. Hey, good. I don't smoke, but it's nice to know that you sell it. I just find this stuff so crazy. Hey, how you doing, man? Can I try? I try? Yeah? Alright, let's do it. So what is this? Honey?
Honey.
With alcohol?
I got you.
It's good. Is that honey? Honey? Honey. That's actually like the nicest honey I've ever tried. So good. Very sweet. You make this? You make? Yeah, the language barrier here is hard. Here we go. What percentage? Very strong? Oh. Oh. That's very strong. How much is that? How much? 500. I'll give you some money. I won't get you, but I'll give you some money anyway. I don't want one. It's too much. It's too much for me. You can just have that for the sample. For the sample. Thank you. That was so strong. That was actually really strong. It tasted like had to be up around 40% alcohol. Check out this. It's also nice, this stuff, but you can't, I'm trying to like downsize my luggage, make it lighter, so I can't really be buying any of this stuff, but it's cool to look at. Influencers. Bro, that is so old. My dad had one of them in like 1998. Oh, look at all the combat gear. Could that be my new YouTube camera? Maybe? Upgrade? Oh, what? There's like old passports here. I just find this stuff so fascinating because none of this is like legal in Australia. Look at this, the old communist logo. Wow. Amazing. One of the things I've noticed with the people here is they don't hassle you. They're not trying to sell to you. Like in a lot of these Southeast Asian countries, you can't walk down the street without just being absolutely hounded. But here they're really relaxed. Like they'll help you out, they might show you something, but no one's trying to sell to you, which is really nice. Dude, they love their smoking over here, hey? Everyone pretty much smokes. These mountains up here, they basically surround like the whole area. I want to get up and see them, but I don't have much more time here because we're heading to the coast tomorrow. But this is sort of the main part of Tirana. Hey!
Hi.
How you doing?
Good. What's up?
What's up? But yeah, what I was going to say is pretty much all the cars here, there's so many BMWs, Mercedes, Audis, Porsches, yeah, Range Rovers, they're everywhere. How much do you want? Yeah. All right, lots of beggars around the area, but that's all right. Helping them out. The coins are actually worth a fair bit if you add them all up, because you just look at them and you think they're nothing, but they're still worth about 100 lek, which is about $1.20 or something. So it's about a coffee per coin, but that's all right. Hopefully she's going to spend it on her family, something good. Kids getting in trouble. Hey. Alright, I'm getting wet. It's alright, it's hot. That was an actual photo of me this morning. You get the one. You get one. How much? No price. I'll give you something, you take something. Okay, my friend, thank you. So I told you, the people here are really friendly, but let's see how this goes.
Hello, my friend. Come.
Here we go, we've found some friends. Hey, no camera.
No problem.
Okay.
Come here, my friend.
Come in or not?
Come here, come drink something.
Okay.
I'm not being camera.
Okay, I'll blow your face. It is a party town, hey?
Hi, man.
Hey, mate.
How are you?
How you doing? Showing all my friends in Australia what your country's
Where
like.
come from?
Sydney, Australia.
Sydney.
Yeah. I like your country. It's good.
Yeah.
Good
From the Java, the Raki has our
Drink something.
This is for hospitality.
That's
You
yours.
want to have a drink? Okay. All right. Look at this.
This is traditional.
Oh God. Okay.
You can drink like tequila.
Far out. This is not good because I don't like tequila,
Guys,
and
we
I'm
drink
hungover.
like tequila this one. Forget the rock when we go.
Here, you hold it. Let's do it. Ready? And then I chase it down with a plum.
And go.
It's good. Cheers, boys. Have a good one. I'll come meet you for a drink a bit later.
Yeah, you come down.
Come get a beer.
Yeah.
Alright.
Tequila will be wrong. Raki is our tequila.
Yeah. See you, boys. Alright, well there we go. Tried the plum, had some rakia, pretty strong. Time to head back for a potential nap, maybe. See how we go. I'm feeling pretty alive after that drink, to be honest. But yeah, see you shortly. People say stay away from stray cats. They're nothing but problems. They got worms, they got rabies. But then you meet a cat like this. Tame, friendly, cute. Look at you. They're everywhere here. But this is my favourite. Been friends with this cat for about 2 days now. Hey, I was just checking. Is that the real Mona Lisa? Is that the real painting or just a copy? This one here. I was just checking. Is that the real Mona Lisa painting, or is this just like a copy?
Do you want to make a photo?
Yeah.
Yes, yes.
Okay,
yes.
okay.
That's the real one.
This is not original.
Oh, it's not the real one.
No.
Oh, okay.
Together original, no.
Hey, Mona Lisa is...
Mona Lisa is poster.
Like it's just a poster. Oh, well, there we go. All right. Well, thank you.
Thank you.